Nabbed. 9 members of a Westmoreland gang now in custody. Police searching for others after raid in the parish earlier this week. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, charged. Police held with illegal guns in Portmore booked.
Tell what you know. Portland police appeal for information on missing taxi driver.
Under fire, JPS slammed for quality of service.
And in the financial week, gaining. The Jamaican dollar reaches a 3-month high against the greenback.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what more can be done to help bring the perpetrators of the brutal rape and murder of 14-year-old Tanya Francis to justice.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.